Guys, we finally made it. We have received our first sponsors ever in our YouTube channel. It's Harley Davidson. As you can see, I'm wearing this original Harley Davidson t-shirt, and it's directly mailed from United States from the Harley Davidson main branch office, and I'm joking. Okay, so let's do something new. So let's grab my t-shirt to clean it up. So the first reason is be sensible on roads while riding, whether it can be a car, bike, whatever it may be. Second, wear at least a helmet. Third one is do not, oh, that's not needed, do not overspeed. My dad once said, losing few minutes in life is far better than losing life in few minutes. So if you go slow, it'll be a few minutes late. But if you don't go slow, you will be in the death case. Whatever the bike may be, it may be a scooter. Is this a scooter? Okay, let's think this is a scooter. Maybe it's a gear bike, or even if it's an auto rickshaw. Hopefully this should be an auto rickshaw. Let's think the third wheel is this. So. And a car. Okay, I'm good at drawing car maybe. Let's try. Whoa, I did it. So be it a bicycle, a motorbike, a scooty, or a gear bike. Where is the gear bike? Oh yeah, here. And maybe be it an auto or be it a car. Let's be sensible on the roads while riding. And it's obviously driving if it's a car. So why am I telling all this? It's because I am seeing accidents to be precise, on roads which are horrible. So we can be safe by driving or riding slow. That's the main thing. I am not a professional rider. Even I had many accidents before in the past. In fact, I have the most silliest accidents I can share with anyone. And today, while I was returning from college, so it's the college. Let's think it's college. Today, while I'm returning from the college, there were many people crowded. I can draw many people, so there are many people crowded in a bike accident. They were trying to help the people who are injured. So what was happened is, we stopped to see what happened there. So a scooty, so let's think this is a scooty, hit a Royal Enfield Classic 350 from backside. And imagine the impact that created on the bike. The crash guard was bent, and even the handlebar was bent. So a scooty hitting a Royal Enfield that is halted in the middle of the road, it created this much impact. And think about the rider. So after a few minutes, I've got to know that the boy who is riding this Activa came to be my friend. That too, school friend, 10th class friend. So as I mentioned earlier, I got to see my friend after a while. He was sitting at a restaurant and he was about to leave. And he was about to leave. We went to him and have seen him. Okay, let's draw eyes. We have seen him. He is full of wounds. Not even one part of his body was not without a wound. So he was badly injured. And think how he fell from the bike that created that much of wounds on his body. All his arms were injured, mainly head was injured. I mean, like, mainly in the sense he got a small scratch over here, and okay, so he got a small scratch over here and it's fine. He is fine, nothing happened bad on his head. So his hands were scratched, his fingers were totally scraped up, and his leg over here got badly injured. So why all this? I have asked him what happened. So he said that he said me that I just hit him. But by inquiring that bullet guy, he said me that he hit him with a very high speed. Maybe let's think 60 to 80 kmph. That too in a small road. Not even a 4-lane highway. So luckily we stopped at a restaurant. An old woman helped us with some turmeric powder. We applied all the turmeric powder over his body, and after some time, after resting, we went to a clinic. And have done some first aid. So what's the point behind explaining all this to you guys? It's just because I am worried. Okay, let's wrap it up. I'll talk a simple story. This is the university. We have to climb up some ramp to get over to the small road. Let's think the main road in that village. So a Royal Enfield guy from here went and stopped here. So a guy with a random gear bike came with a very high speed and hit the halted person, and these guys felt way long back here. These two guys felt here, somewhere here, and the guy who was sitting on the bike is spot dead. So think the incident and think about their parents, his life. And guys, again, I am not a safe rider too. Previously I used to ride very harsh, but after some experiences, even I had some accidents, so I had experienced. So I am sensible on roads. After that incident I have just explained to you, even I've lost so many helmets, I bought one. Okay, let's think this is the helmet. Ooh. So guys, to wrap it up, it's simple. Wear a helmet. Ride or drive slow. Be sensible on roads. And follow the traffic rules, which we don't actually do. Rules. Okay, let's make it short. Follow the rules. I hope you like this video. If you do, like, share, and comment, subscribe. And let's hope soon in our channel we'll get sponsorships. Not great as Harley Davidson, but some sponsorships. So for that to happen, you need I need your support a lot. So thank you. Let's catch up in the next one.